Yeah, people, good night and good day. Welcome to Alien TV. You know me, I say like and subscribe. Boy, me I tell you, Paula Lewin, like I wanna start corruption. Mother all that, you know. It's like this lady don't like Vybz Kartel. And most of the people them in the DPP don't like Vybz Kartel. You me see a man a drive a beamer and a man run up in night and that man fire a couple shot in that man there and then him switch up with him son and him son switch up with him and them got a court and everybody know and them gone free. Get Vybz Kartel I get persecuted. Lock up in a jail for how long? Now the man has been locked up for many years now. Many years. Recently had his case in the Court of Appeal turned down, rejected. Now he's trying to get his case taken from out of Jamaica's court system, which is so corrupted and manipulated against the poor, you know what I mean, and those who are outspoken. So he's trying to get his case out of Jamaica to bring it to England, to the Privy Council, you know what I mean? Yeah, because you don't know no matter how Jamaica go on, still under England rule and law them there. You see me? And because people overseas will more to look in the case and scrutinize the case for all the discrepancies, like people taking out evidence and using it and then bringing it back. Like how you use a phone that should be in evidence, how it gets in police and to be used. You know what I mean? Now Mr. Buchanan right here is cartel lawyer, very intelligent. He's not an inefficient counsel like most counsellors who represent people and just take your money. As well as Mr. Bert Samuels right here, representing Shawn Storm, Kyra, and Mad Sauce, big up on yourself. These lawyers are the top tier, the top of the top lawyers. Very educated, very seasoned. They know the system, you know what I mean? So they are trying to bring the case to the Privy Council in England. Now Mr. Taylor now, the senior director of the DPP, after Paula Lewin, or what's her name, don't send Kartel to prison. No, Mr. Taylor now, he might try to get it rejected from being aired by the Privy Council. Because he know once it's brought overseas, the discrepancies in the case here is going to be exposed. Now this man right here, Jeremy Taylor, say him a smile and laugh. Because them a smile and laugh while you have ghetto youths in a prison. Me now say Vybz Kartel a Christian. I'm not going to say none of them are Christian. I'm not going to say them a sinner. Because let them, you know me I say, nothing I hide. But what me I say, if you guys try the case in Jamaica and they're trying to bring it overseas, why would you contest to that if you have nothing to hide, Mr. Taylor? Why wouldn't you let it bring to another group of people, another tribe, so they can see and look through the case and see that you have done a job well done? No, you know corruption is in the case. You know corruption is in the case, my lord, so you don't want it brought to the international audience where you're going to be exposed, you and Miss Paula Llewellyn and many members of the DPP who are against Vybz Kartel. Now come on, if Vybz Kartel had paid police officers to take the phone out, let's put the scenario in a different way, because this is not what Marcus Garvey fight for, you know what I mean, and spoke about in freedom. If Vybz Kartel had paid police officers to take the phone out and erase the evidence of the phone and put it back, and you guys had found out, and Vybz Kartel had busted the case and went free, wouldn't you guys took him back into incarceration, into jail and try back the case over? But you guys have police officers who take the evidence out, tamper with the evidence and put it back. And yet you still find this man guilty without even a dead body. Come on. How ludicrous can this be? So you don't want the people in England to see this, to see all the injustice and how you guys are running this kangaroo court in Jamaica. No, I do not say Vybz Kartel is an angel, but he's a product of Jamaica, a product of our environment. No man is perfect. Let he who is without sin cast the first stone. Artists getting the bitter end of the stick for everything with politicians and other people done. Come on, man. Like and subscribe, people. Give the man a chance. Let the case be aired in England. Yes, sir.